Hey guys, do you want to secure your financial future? Of course you do. That's why you're listening. So let's learn from a breakdown of the famous Anderson case. You ever wonder how the ultra wealthy protect their money even when their world is just crumbling by legal threats? Well, today we're diving into one of the biggest asset protection wins, Anderson versus Commissioner of Internal Revenue. In this case, Thomas and Dorothy Anderson set up an offshore trust in the famous Cook Islands to protect their assets, which were from ill-gotten gains of a Ponzi scheme. Now, even after they were accused of criminal Ponzi scheme behavior and faced massive legal judgments, their assets were still nice and safe and protected. So what this goes to is the strength of the offshore trust and how offshore trust equal the legal Fort Knox. I don't condone criminal behavior, but we're going to break down why these trusts work so well. So why do they? Well, offshore trust offers some of the major league advantages, like one, jurisdictional protection. Foreign courts can't touch these trusts. They have statutory non-recognition of any country's court orders or judgments in the world, including the U.S., meaning they just go right in the trash. Their constitutions don't recognize them. Number two, the plaintiff suing you will have to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. That's the murder standard. Number three, the plaintiffs have to put up a bond and then front the entire court cost and fly in a judge from New Zealand. Can't take the U.S. attorneys with them. And here's the kicker, if they lose, they pay. And not to mention, there's only a 1-year statute of limitations. So it sounds pretty good. And the final one, assets are legally protected by offshore trustees. That's why they work so well. So the result is just pure financial security that lawsuits and creditors, even bankruptcies, are blocked from. The key takeaway is that jurisdiction matters. Now, here's the game changer for everyday people, the yous and me's of the world, the bridge trust. Think of it as a hybrid car for your wealth. It starts as an offshore Cook Island trust, but for tax simplicity and purposes, it's bridged back to the U.S. for flexibility and simplicity of use. But if legal trouble arises, boom, it's already bridged to the Cook Islands and has all that superpower just waiting for us to be used in our back pocket. So it's leveraging that domestic ease with the offshore strength. And this is why the bridge trust is the new gold standard. Simple management and tax compliance, cost effectiveness with no constant offshore tax disclosures and fees, with unmatched protection during lawsuits and creditor claims. It is truly the best of both worlds. But here's the reality. You can't wait until a lawsuit hits courts. They're not going to honor it. You can't wait till the last minute to move. So you have to set up your asset protection strategy, no matter what it is, before there's trouble. You want to plan today to protect for tomorrow. We want to play smart, play safe, and play legal. If you want peace of mind knowing that your legacy is nice and safe, let's chat about creating your custom asset protection plan. Feel free to DM me for a free consultation.